Hello there. We have a mixed operations problem for you today, mixing multiplication with addition. And it's solving 6 plus 6 times 0 plus 6. Now, I know some people may argue about solving. This is actually an expression, but expressions can be simplified. So even though this is not an equation, there's no equal sign in a variable we're solving for, it is an expression that we can simplify. But we want to talk about understanding the order of operations. The background here for the order of operations. The order of operations tells us the correct sequence to evaluate a math expression. Um, Commonly, at least in the United States, it's remembered by PEMDAS. There are other acronyms like BODMAS, BEDMAS, BIDMAS, but they all represent the same thing. But we're looking at PEMDAS here in this example. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division left to right, and then finally addition and subtraction left to right. And where a lot of people could get confused on these acronyms is that a lot of people believe that multiplication is before division, or some people even believe addition comes before subtraction, which both of those are false. And even with BODMAS and BEDMAS, those also give you the same answer. The D and the M and the M and the D, the order of those do not matter. So they're very confusing for some people. But following the order ensures consistent and correct results. So when you have the problem, I have the expression 6 plus 6 times 0 plus 6. Step one is, well, we identify the multiplication and division first. Well, we don't have any division. And now some people will say, well, wait a minute, there's no parentheses, so you just solve left to right, which is false. If you don't have a step, you skip and go to the next step. It's that simple. In this case, we do have multiplication. We don't have parentheses or exponents, but we do have multiplication. 6 times 0 is 0. The expression then becomes 6 plus 0 plus 6. So the second step would be to perform our addition from left to right. It doesn't even matter. 6 plus 0 plus 6 is the same as 6 plus 6 plus 0. But anyhow, following the correct order of operations, the result here is 6 plus 6 times 0 plus 6. The result's 12. Remember, multiplication comes before addition. All right. Hopefully that's been helpful. If it has, please consider liking, sharing, subscribing. We'll see you in the next video.